Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMe Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the show all pins option on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to turn on show all pins option on your Pinterest account. So click on the profile picture on the top. Now click on the view profile option. Then click on the edit profile. So this option will be only shown on a normal profile, will not show on the business profile. So just swipe down, you have the option called show all pins. So people visiting your profile will be able to see a collection of all pins you saved, and pins saved to the secret boards won't be visible. So just click this and click on the done option. Now your pins has been turned to the public. This is how you just change the show all pin option on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.